Hey guys, it's Rachel, and today I will be showing you how to make Christina Tosi's recipe for pumpkin gooey butter cake. Just as a fair warning, this recipe is really sweet, so make sure you have a sweet tooth if you're gonna go for this. As with all Christina Tosi recipes, you'll need a few unique ingredients, but we're gonna start this off by mixing together our yellow cake mix, butter, and egg. And this will be the crust for the gooey butter cake. Once all of those ingredients have come together, go ahead and scoop out a 1/4 cup of the crust mixture. We're going to use this for the filling later on. Now, in a square or rectangular baking pan, we are going to press our crust into the mold. Alrighty, go ahead and set the crust aside, and now we are going to work on the gooey pumpkin butter filling. So we are going to start off by mixing together 1 stick of butter, 8 ounces of cream cheese, and that 1/4 cup of crust mixture that we reserved from earlier. Using a stand mixer fitted with a paddle attachment, blend those ingredients together, and then we are going to add in a whopping 16-ounce box of powdered sugar. Yeah, I was terrified. And then also a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Blend that together. Then we will go ahead and add in our wet ingredients. So this includes our vanilla and pumpkin puree. Oh, and 1 whole egg as well. At this point, your mixture should be incredibly smooth and creamy, and you're ready to load it on top of the crust that we made earlier. So just go ahead and pour it on top, and then you can flatten it with an offset spatula or just a regular spatula, whatever you have at home. Once that's done, you can go ahead and put the cake in the oven for about 45 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until the sort of outer edges of the cake is set, but the inside is still a little jiggly and a little wobbly. And there you have it. That is how you make Christina Tosi's pumpkin gooey butter cake. This is an incredibly sweet dessert, but it is really great if you do love pumpkin and if you like that kind of dense, fudgy sort of cake texture. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you next week.